And we experienced, Matt, what is probably one of the warmest marches I can remember in my lifetime. In fact, I think a lot of meteorologists are actually saying that it was the warmest March that we've ever experienced here in the country.
It certainly has been a while since we had so many days in March that included the 70s, the 80s. It certainly was a warm month for
We even
us.
set a couple records in March, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. We did. Yeah, high temperatures into the around 87, knocked out that previous record of 85. Yeah, the exact date, don't know off the top of my head, but I will say we do have another round of comfortable temperatures ahead for today. Right now, we're starting this morning off with temperatures in between the upper 50s and the lower 60s. Here's the main story, though, the dew points. This is a measurement of how much water is in the atmosphere. Not very much. Anytime you see a decent difference between the dew point temperature and the actual temperature, it means the air can feel totally different. So that means there's a lot of dry conditions around Kentuckiana right now. And you'll notice these clouds barely surviving in our skies. That's because there's so much dry air, it really just eats away at them. So we're going to continue staying quiet and dry for the rest of this Thursday, but check out this boundary that's starting to develop over towards Chicago, northern Illinois. That's going to make its way towards us, and it's going to combine with some slightly increasing humidity and bring back some rain chances that we'll be tracking out for tomorrow night. The mild mornings continue, and today a very pleasant pattern ahead for us. So those winds are staying out of the south all throughout our afternoon. Could be gusting at times up to 20 miles per hour. Later into the afternoon, temperatures reaching the upper 70s. Still quiet and dry through the night. Temperatures cooling back into the 50s to start off our Friday morning. Friday afternoon, we likely hit around 80 degrees, but then later into Friday afternoon, clouds increase, and just into the start of the evening, small spotty showers will try to develop from that boundary coming in from the north. Now, since there's so much dry air in place, it's really going to keep these showers from developing any further. They're likely going to be very patchy, very light, very brief in nature. That pattern continues throughout our Friday evening, Friday night. Some of them try to carry over into the first few hours of Saturday morning. But by Saturday afternoon, we're back in that sunny pattern. Lots of sunshine that keeps us likely into the upper 70s throughout Saturday and into our Saturday night. Temperatures start returning back into the 50s for our Sunday. But the humidity is on its way back. We're still in a mostly dry trend through today, but come Friday, especially Friday night, that moisture starts slowly flowing its way back into the Ohio Valley. We're going to see those wind patterns carry a lot of this moisture closer towards us into next week. We're going to see a decent amount of chances for showers pop up throughout Monday afternoon. Expecting some scattered shower activity for Monday afternoon and also for our Tuesday afternoon. So we are going to see some better chances for rain next week. Also, temperatures warming up as well. We'll be in the mid-80s Sunday. That's our warmest day of the week, and we're still going to be reaching the 80s throughout most of our next upcoming days. That's a look at your 7-day weather details. Remember, you always have access to a free 24/7 live streaming radar that's available for you on the free WHAS 11 Plus app. That way you can stay up to date with all the latest weather details.